Ebusiafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba GCN page so midin e de adwoa search him mesro na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell on so for more news. Felix Apia a Facebook blogger or blogger de ma NPP amayoko no ne platform ni din any political zone. Na Felix e na oka se ni se mo okay na ne se ye owura Aseidu Nketia a oye chairman de ma NDC amayoko no ensem wo ho na wo kan yesterday na ende youth no obi eni ho asebio na dwen ni fio bi eni ho wagimi a obekwakosalan yakoto aba na onko fie na obegina eho no na mu akuno obi eni ho chese obekunu ho obewu sebio nkwase ewudi ama because of selfish interest in because of power person who nyana do kwahwa women hey sad no 2024 bie no obeye bie na 2024 youth bia obekwakoto aba na ubewu because of kopa adwuma mo bi ni papa no sa youth ne se bi wu a ufu na se wotwa ne maya na no sisi ne so na wa akosie no 2024 de ye de yame asese social media ba ye hu de politicians ne mo ya asese e bi youth ne ye ni no politicians de by next 4 years 5 years mutuse mutuma dada ye mutumi dada ye bi onde e do china Felix kire say youth no obi enu obegebe de ama owura Aseidu Nketia na so bekunu ho de ama no de akohwe na besuafo na de ntia Felix ka say nya ne say o kire say NDC amayoko no eye party bia e ba ni moja say me omo de omo pani na o te party no o de tutura say na te party no nti na isa ye e wo mo mojem omo ya akra nya do metimi no ma e ofene say owura Aseidu Nketia e make comment bi say 2024 abato na ba beto no ene the omobeye bia omeye bibia within their power to win the 2024 elections no na me mentiase o owura Aseidu Nketia statement no make no mentiase omobeye bibia le sesen mo se brian the champion akoma comment say 2024 elections no omunjai power na mfema mo so easy sa ene mo ntiase na de mo kiken owura Aseidu Nketia yentie ne sema okan no kakra nam so a Felix akasa asem no en adofo ye na yate ensem a owura Aseidu Nketia eka ne nsem okan ya ne sabatu ya 2024 be edwe papa te no bia hye ne sapom nsu ai nenu na Felix Apia echese okura asem a wokan no ka wonu ne wokan 2024 youth bia ni wo begimi e de ama se ne wokan ne yeti ensem a Felix Apia e de etudwa
Ebo trimen kontimani o Jimmy for kwasia o ya boa NDC they thought when they do that. Now let me ask NDC, especially General Aseidu Nketia, a question. Did you think the spirit of caderism or cater, the cadres, you think that thing was going to be in NDC after Rollins died? One day I will bring Rollins' senior sister here for her to talk to you people. The reason why your party can't get a message and everything about Mahama goes uproar. You really thought, say, Onipa no decide to trust them soon ni shame no ma pamo no ma cheni no mo so your dog. You have tamed the backing dog. And you still think, say, you still possess that spirit. Aseidu Nketia, stop using and throwing people's children into danger for them to die in Kwasiewu for your own stupid ambitions. Rollins no this boot one the buy oko. Now Rollins' sister told me point blank, say, my brother left with his party to the grave. And that is why we did not give his body to the family to bury, so that Aseidu Nketia can have power and influence over it. For some of you who don't know, the sister told me direct, say, NDC for Shaida ko ebusuafo no say, woman ne enana ekufo adonko say, omu pe body no Rollins body no, omu mesie no wo mukrom. Madam, if you are watching me, sorry, today sometimes you have to let some secrets out. We asked, say, NDC didn't want the almost time said Rollins here near to the point say the man had to run away from his own party and try to form a different party with the wife. And if you are in NDC thinking say Rollins this I've told you people these days mo ya boy ya bell bomono NDC someone per message be a map ama yan hwe so anhwe se beto aba ma mo na mo be ya mo se mo mpeme se Ghana ye ne akoto aba na mo alusu na mo be se mo be se buanka ye be bom Ghana no won buanka this time ye be bom no ashama de kakra na musu. Oh, I told you people something. These NDC people, Mama Babs, welcome. These NDC people. We are going nowhere, Johnny. I told you people. We call NDC ni page so. Utie. Anasa woni NDC ni shia. Na mudi nkomo na aka jense we aboa. Anasa onu edi nkaka chiro se we aboa. Na se wo yo ho se oh, bra adan na wudi atem. Afekwa na wa power no. Obedidi atem mo. Kwase jimi de NDC ni no. NDC ni ka so ya aboa so edwudwa nchie kwase ampani pa se eh da bi to boa se o MPP ni ana eh na adan. That is how they like. Okay, so maame wo so maame no papa di na ye jimi fo no abo break. Eh there be na de MPP fo boy be no mo di na bay. NDC ni ka so we jimi fo wo ka jimi kire no. E ho a no aye attentive no say there be ade no abodamfo abem. Ghana ye koi. Who has ordered and threatened more people in Ghana than that stupid party called NDC? Today they are getting a taste of their own medicine and they can't swallow it. NDC. And mukuni na mono aye no. Kuni na mono asi fie ho no. And the yema mu bia no mu dwane. Hwe. Monfa mo nkwase asem no magimi sem mfiri Ghana so. Mutie. NDC krodo so party enyansan ni mutrim. Monfa sa mu dwan sem no mfiri Ghana so. Mutie. Ya wo Ghana. Ana obia onye timemfa won sam yenu ndidi da ekua. Ewiase yemfa nsam yenu ndidi o. O menu nti. So da na da yentem. Ni na abeyirai. Afedia menamfufo ni na abedane against me except a few section of Toronto. Because they been tiase. Nanado is not something to be played with. Don't think Nanado or you'll be a ube to me dinner be grow anyhow and get away with it. It doesn't work like that. Black coffee. Yakoye where the man or kuku or Coventry by and then the Mumbisa said, dear Nekoso. And then me near sorry, why ha and by force pictures. And then a queer sorry by force pictures just so they know that I'm happy. But inside the queer you are crying. I know. A queer minim. I know what is going on. When God gives you a second chance out of this thing you did. Media me say media me jama nakao. A queer dia oma ye de me fair moon. The moon try twato me so obi a mete sebe eyi adwumam na sebe police aba na police afre me na me ne me office for atnas na ye de letter ama me say on the 22nd bra court